Hey everyone, the professor here, and let's talk about making some money with crude oil for the rest of the week. Now, in our members area, we have been extremely profitable, mostly selling oil. We did catch a quick scalp of a buy today, but let me kind of set you up and just kind of take a look at where this chart is right now on this 8-hour chart. So what I want to do is I want to mark up this lower level because by all intents and purposes, we are going to be continuing to drop with crude oil to these levels right in here. So as we expand the chart, we are going to give you some quick analysis so you understand zones for the rest of the week. Now, tomorrow, there will be crude oil inventories. So make sure you look out for that around 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, so let's kind of dive in. We can see right here, we did have a rejection point at right about 67.96, and we will pretty much be hitting that here very, very shortly. So we're going to start to look at these levels, and we're focusing it right now on the 8-hour chart. Okay, so what I want you to do is draw these levels with me, and I'm going to go from the top and then just work my way down to give you some value. And again, these are levels that you'll be able to have and keep really for next week as well as we start the trading week. Okay, we got levels there, we got levels there, we've got some levels right in here. Okay, so again, we're looking at this 8-hour chart, and I'm going to give you a level right in here. Okay, and then we'll drop down one more, and we'll give you a level right in here. So let me start right here. This 8-hour candle, okay, which is on Tuesday, broke structure. This is why we have been preaching inside the group that we are basically staying bearish on crude oil. Okay, we were able to catch this scalp today, but again, it was just a quick scalp, a quick 100 points, and then we were out, and then we reversed to ourselves. So, what are you looking for now for some intraday opportunities as you move into the rest of the week? Well, we have to entertain this 67.96. Okay, trading in this area is going to be very, very dangerous. So we can expect price to come down and hit this level. And now we did have a bounce off that level before. So if you are looking to scalp a buy opportunity, you would be looking at these lower levels here. As we drop to the 1 hour, let's kind of take a look at what's happening here on the 1 hour. And again, you can kind of see right in here, okay, that we are about to hit that level. Again, on a 1 hour level, okay, we broke structure at 68.85, and that is why we are dropping lower. So really the safest place if you are going to look for a long position, it's going to be to get a candle to close above 68.85 because that was a level. So if you can get a candle, and we'll turn that green to close higher than 68.85, even though you'll be going against the trend. Again, this is a very strong trend down, but at some point, all trends give you an opportunity to buy. This would be the safer buy at 68.85, taking this right back up to this next level right here. That would kind of be your target again. If they come back up here, and I'll make this blue, and I will go ahead with this new feature and write target right in here. If this condition is met, that you get a candle to close above 68.85, preferably, okay, you're going to be looking for this to happen again, where you get a bullish engulfing candle to close, and then you're off to the races to the target. Until then, okay, we can expect price to drop down to this 67.96 area. So what you may see happen here is we may see price come back up, retest this area, and then give us one more drop down on crude oil. So if you're staying with the trend, this will be the opportunity that you're looking for. If you're already in a trade, then you should be protecting that sell opportunity. Okay. So that is kind of like the view from the intraday perspective as you head into tonight London session and tomorrow crude oil inventories. Now, if I hide all the drawings and we go over to the weekly, this is so important, right? This is why buying becomes very dangerous. Take a look at this current weekly candle. Do you really want to try to buy against that candle? The answer should really be no. So at this point, for the rest of the week, you should be looking to sell any retracements up. And again, there will be crude oil inventories tomorrow, but is it going to flip a weekly candle? Probably not. Okay. So we want to go ahead and see over to the left that we've been to this level before and we've rejected and had a retracement. So that's why I'm thinking that 68 is probably viable. And if tomorrow the news is against crude oil, we could very well see this wick all the way down at 63 into next week. Okay, not necessarily this week, but we should expect 68 to 67 with unfavorable news on crude oil. Okay, so this candle right here, this weekly candle, is already made this bearish engulfing candle over these last two candles on the left. So you should only be looking for sell opportunities at this point with crude oil. And again, this on a bigger time frame can continue down to these levels of 63 to 61. If this candle does not retrace by the end of the week and continues to go down, we are probably looking at 61 to 62 heading into next week. Don't forget, if you got some value on this video, hit that like button. And if you're brand new, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any quality trade setups and tutorials. Thanks for watching.